class, now it's time to start our today's classes. And I hope you all are prepared for that. Must be having all your proper books, notebooks and your stationeries with you. Great. So class, today is 15th December 2020 and the day is Tuesday. So what are we going to do today? May I ask you all to please read the board once and tell me what are we going to do? Which subject? Of course, you must have understood with lot of numbers written here, isn't it? So we are going to do maths today. And what topic are we going to do? Can anyone tell me? What topic are we going to learn? We are going to do it again, that is ascending order. So you remember that in your previous class I taught you what is ascending order. Can anyone tell me what is ascending order? The order of numbers, in the order in which we write numbers from smallest to biggest. Isn't it? That is what I told you कि जब भी हमें एक group of numbers दिए जाते हैं, so I have some numbers here. Now if I ask you, please arrange the group of number. ये जो जितने सारे numbers हैं, you have to arrange this group in ascending order. So how you are going to do that? Which will be the first number we are going to write? The smallest one. So in the previous class we have done it with single digit number. मैम ने आपको one digit number से start किया था सिखाना. So today we are going to move ahead. We are all aware of counting. Counting so we have done till 200. So now today we are going to practice the same topic, ascending order with 2 digits. Is that clear to all? So today I have written all 2 digits number here. So let's begin with the work. So moving towards the first group. Can you tell me which is the smallest number? Are we supposed to write the smallest to biggest or what? Smallest to biggest ही लिखना है? Okay. So the numbers given is 14, 18, 10, 15 and 12. So these are the numbers given to you. What you have to do is you have to start writing them all in ascending order and we will begin with the smallest number first. So which is the smallest number given in these series? Can you tell me? If we talk about A, so which is the smallest number given here? Let's repeat the numbers. 14, 18, 10, 15, 12. So the smallest number we have is 10. So what we will do? We will first write the smallest number. Let's use a different chalk for this. Okay. I am writing the smallest number first. And what is the next step? After writing the number, or you can say after copying down the number, we cut the number from the top line like this. I have cut it. Now why I have cut the number? Can anyone tell me the reason? I told you why I have cut this number from here. Because we have already copied it. So to avoid any confusion, कोई भी confusion से बचने के लिए कि हम दोबारा से इसको consider ना कर ले, we cut the number. This is the remark. This is the mark to tell that we have already copied the number. Now move ahead. Let's see which is the next number we are going to write. 14, 18, 15, 12. अब ये जो 4 numbers cut नहीं हुए, which is the smallest among them? जो ये 4 numbers मैम ने cut नहीं करे हैं, इसमें सबसे smallest कौन सा है? 12 is the one. Yes. So what we will do? I'll write 12 and after that I'll cut it from here. Understood? Now next we have 14, 18 and 15. So tell me which is the number to be written now? After 12 we have 13, but 13 is not given to us. Then what comes after a proper ascending order. That is from smallest to biggest. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving to the next group. Here we have 26, 20, 29, 27, 23. Now all of you tell me which is the smallest number among these. When we are talking of these numbers, which is the smallest here? Again I will repeat the numbers. 26, then we have 20, then 29, 27 and lastly we have 23. So which is the smallest we have here? 20. Isn't it? 20 सबसे smallest है. So we'll copy it here and we'll cut it from here. Now after that, let's say again all the numbers 26, 29, 27 and 23. So tell me which number to be written here now? 20 के next कौन सा होगा? और you can say it the way कि जो नंबर हमने कट कर दिया उसके बाद जितने भी नंबर्स बचे हैं उसमें जो स्मॉलेस्ट है, कट करने के बाद जो भी नंबर्स बचते हैं उनमें जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट है कॉपी करिए, कट करिए, फिर जो अनकट नंबर्स हैं उनमें सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट लीजिए. दिस इज द हाउ यू कैन डू इट मोर इजीली. सो नाउ इफ वी सी 23 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर वी हैव नाउ. So what we will do? We'll copy 23 and after copying it, I'll just cut it like this. Done. अब as I told you, जो numbers cut हो गए हैं उनको छोड़ दीजिए. You have to leave them. The numbers that are remaining with us, which are not cut, उसमें सबसे smallest लेना है. So we have 26, 29 and 27. So which is the smallest of all? 26. Yes. So we will write 26 here and we'll cut it down. अब we have only 29 and 27. अब इन दोनों में से smallest कौन सा है? Which one is smaller? 27 is smaller. So I'll copy 27. I'll cut this. Now we left with 29. So I'll write 29 here and I'll cut. And after this, just have a look. Give a check whether all the numbers are cut or not. If all the numbers are cut, that means we have written down all the numbers. We have not missed any of them. हमने सारे numbers को copy कर लिया है. Proper ascending order में लिखा है. That is smallest to biggest. So why I am repeating ascending order? Smallest to biggest so that it can come here and fix. Just fix it in your mind. कि if we are talking of ascending order, जब हम ascending order की बात कर रहे हैं तो numbers will be written in smallest to biggest. छोटे से बड़ा लिखना है हमें. Understood everyone? Now it's time for you to solve this part. Numbers given are 19, then we have 14, we have 27, we have 30 and 24. So kindly solve 19, 14, 27, 30 and 24. So tell me which is the smallest of all. Just have a look, give yourself 2 minutes and say which is the smallest here. Counting बोलिए फटाफट से. You can say the counting. So देखो single digit तो है नहीं. So what we can do? We can say our counting from 10 onwards. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, we have 14 here. So that means 14 will come first. Isn't it? So what we are going to do? We'll write 14 and we'll cut it from here. 14 लिखा और यहाँ से cut कर दिया. After 14 we'll go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19. अब जो 14 और 19 के बीच में जो जितने भी numbers हमने बोले, they are not given to us. So we will leave them all and we will copy 19 here. Yes. So I'll write 19 and I'll cut it down. Done. After 19, let's move ahead. We are not having 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 given. So what we will do? We'll write 24 and we'll cut it from here. After 24 we have 25, 26, 27. So we'll write 27. Let's cut it from here. And lastly we are left only with 30. So I'll write 30 and then cut. Understood? So 14, 19, 24, 27, 30. This is the correct ascending order of the numbers given. And what is ascending order, class? Writing numbers from smallest to biggest. Dekho, smallest to biggest. This is how we have written. Now, let's see this series. So the numbers given here is 17, 11, 24, 15 and 30. So I am giving you another 1 minute. Just copy these numbers and try to solve it in your notebook. The numbers are 17, 11, 24, 15, 30. Yes class. Hurry up. Now tell me which is the first number we are going to write. Begin your counting fast and tell me the first number we will write here. It's gonna be 11. Yes. So we'll write 11. Cut it down. Next we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 15 is given to us. So we'll write 15 from here and we'll cut. After 15 will be 16. We don't have, then it's given 17. Yes, so we'll copy 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So next is 24 and last we have is 30. Is that clear to all of you? Now, one thing which I want to tell you all is whichever numbers given to you, be that single digit, be that 2 digits or 3 digits, whatever numbers are given to you, what you have to keep in your mind is just a proper series of numbers to be written. आपको जो भी यहाँ पे numbers दिए हैं, you just have to write them in a correct order. And that order is ascending order. And when we are writing in ascending order, we always write the smallest number first and then we keep on moving ahead and complete to the biggest one. Clear? So ascending order is writing numbers from smallest to biggest. Previously we did it with 1 digit. Today I have done it with 2 digits. So something similar we are going to do in our notebook today. So for now, open your notebooks and let's see how to do the work in notebook. So all of you open your notebooks, write down the date and the topic. So you all know what is the topic? Ascending order. So write down date and topic and let's see how to do this work in our notebook today. Okay class? So class, now what you have to do, as I told you, you all must have opened your notebooks. Isn't? Okay. So the one thing is, first we will write today's date. So class, what's the date today? 15 December 2020. After writing the date like this, don't forget to mention classwork here. So you will write classwork and after that write down the topic. So what's the topic today? Today we are learning about ascending order. Isn't it? So now, all of you can make a notebook like this where I have written all the 2 digits number. Now one thing, I have always told you not to write 2 digits in one box. That work is for counting. Clear? Now when we are talking about many numbers together, what you can do is write down numbers like this. And while writing these numbers, don't forget to skip a line between each number. Clear? You have to skip a line like this. So as I have written 14, then I have left a box, then written 18. So like this you can write the numbers. Clear? So I'll just show you the whole page together. Now can you see it? So you can make your notebook like this. Take any 2 digits numbers. In any series you can write them, and after writing them, take 5 numbers for one series. For one you can take 5 numbers, and after writing these numbers you have to arrange them in ascending order. So let's start doing this now. So if we talk about the first series, which will be the first number we are going to write here, 10. Then as usual cut it. So the next number will come is 12. Yes, so we'll write 12. Now make one thing sure, where while writing the answers also you have to skip one box. So if you'll do your work like this, it comes out a very neat presentation. So 12 is done. Next we have 14. So I'll write 14 here and I'll cut. So what will be the next number? 18 or 15? Next will be 15. And last we have 18. So what we have done? We have written the given numbers in proper ascending order. That is from smallest to biggest. And yes, don't forget to write that here also, as we did previously. Smallest to biggest. Understood? Okay, now next we have is 26, 20, 29, 27, 23. So can anyone tell me which will be the first number? 20. So we'll write 20. Then next which we are going to write? 23. Then we have 26. Then we have 27 and last 29. Clear? Two things that you have to remember. Numbers को smallest to biggest लिखना है, और जो number आप copy कर लेंगे, the number that you will copy, you have to cut that number. Is that understood to all? Okay, let's see the next one. We have 19, 14, 27, 30 and 24. So the first will be 14. Then we will write 19. What will be the next one among these three? 24. Then 27 and last 30. Clear? Now we have 17, 11, 24, 15, 30. So tell me the smallest one here. 11, then 15, then we have 17, then we have 24 and last 30. Okay, moving towards the last, we have 14, 24, 28, 19 and 11. So which is the smallest? 11. Next 14, then we have 19, then we have 24 and last is 28. Clear? So this is how you are going to do your today's work. So this one is classwork. So what will be the homework, class? Homework will be same as classwork. But yes, you have to take some other digits. Don't repeat these numbers. You can take some other digits to do your homework. Okay? So class, I hope you have understood the topic clearly by now. What is ascending order? If one line I want you to answer me. So tell me, what is ascending order? Ascending order is the order in which we write the numbers from smallest to biggest. आपको ये एक main point याद रखना है forever. When it is asked ascending order, you have to remember this word ascending order. Ascending order is smallest to biggest. अब वो numbers चाहे आपको 1 digit में दिए हो, I can give you in 2 digits or it can go beyond to 3 digits also. So what you have to do is only arrange the given numbers from smallest to biggest. Clear? आपको जो numbers arrange करने हैं smallest to biggest ही करने हैं when it is asked in to do for ascending order. This is one thing you have to keep in your mind. Clear? I hope it's clear, but still if there is any doubt, please feel free to call me and ask me and clear your doubts. Okay? Bye for now. Get ready for your today's EVS class. Take care.